Hi everyone. For today I'm going to make the egg roll and for the wrapper I use this one wrapper. This is traditional egg roll, and this wrapper you can make spring roll or egg roll as you see the picture. This is the old fashioned time that for egg roll. សម្រាប់ថ្ងៃនេះនាងខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើ egg roll ប៉ុន្តែមូពីសបកណែមនេះណាមិនមែនសបក egg សម្រាប់ egg roll ទេសបកនេះអាចមូ egg roll ក៏បានអាចមូជា spring roll ក៏បានជាណែមឆៅក៏បានណាហើយ also for this egg roll that many people request to do it for banchung, and here the first step I made the egg roll first. That another video I can combine all together to make banchung. So it's for ingredient I have sugar, chicken soup powder, chicken soup powder, this brand that I'm using, salt. You don't need to be too salty because you cannot eat with sweet and sour fish sauce anyway. This egg roll, and for meat, this meat I have ground pork for meat. Some carrot and green onion, chopped garlic, ground black pepper. នេះគ្រឿងផ្សំបងប្អូនមានស្ករមានគ្រឿងស៊ុបមាន់នេះក៏បានគ្រឿងស៊ុបមាន់នេះវាដែលព្រមឆាយណា that you can also use any kind of chicken powder soup នេះម្សៅស៊ុបមាន់ហ្នឹងអំបិលស្លឹកខ្ទឹមហាន់ខ្ទឹមសអង្ច្រាំហើយនឹងម្រេចបើបងប្អូនចង់ដាក់ទឹកត្រីបន្តិចក៏បាន if you like to add some fish sauce is your choice, but for me I used to do like this. I used to do many of this kind of egg roll after the war, so I make it banchung. And this for meat I have ground pork, and vegetable I have bean sprout that I'm gonna use a lot of bean sprout. Here I have some more in here. This bean sprout, that homemade bean sprout, I gonna make it the video for next, I mean in the future. Bean sprout and some carrot and ground pork always. Now let's start to stir fry all the ingredients combined with the bean sprout first. This bean sprout is very beautiful. A couple weeks already still look good. That homemade bean sprout. Now it's hot. It's hot now. I need 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Garlic, salt, brown black pepper, chicken soup powder, pepper, cover, let it steam about a couple of minutes. ក្របវា 2-3 មីនិតសិនណាបងប្អូនឲ្យវាឆ្អិនសាច់ជ្រូកទៅព្រោះសបកណែមហ្នឹងត្រូវការស្នូលឆ្អិនឲ្យហើយកុំឲ្យយើងបារម្ភខ្លាចឆៅក្នុងព្រោះសបកវាស្ដើងជាងហើយវារហ័សខ្លោចជាងអាម្យ៉ាងនោះអញ្ចឹងទៅត្រូវឆាធ្វើស្នូលនឹងហើយសិនចាំមូល I'm going to add all the vegetable, carrot and sprout. Green onion, I had to cook outside because too hot, and then turn on the air conditioning. To cook inside and we smell all over. This now I'm turn off the heat. Let's bring it back to inside. Now here I need the kitchen towel to drain the water out from the wrapper of egg roll. And this is the warm water. You just dip it and take it out right away. And about soft enough. សម្រាប់សបកវានឹងបងប្អូនជ្រលក់ទឹកក្តៅល្មមអ៊ុនៗណាទឹកក្តៅមកល្មមក្តៅបន្តិចមិនមែនអ៊ុនពេកទេហើយកសែងនេះគឺដាក់សម្រាប់ស្រូបទឹកចេញពីសបកណែមហ្នឹងណាខ្ចប់ទៅក៏បានខ្ចប់លីបមិញក៏បាន and you មិនបាច់ប្រើ egg white to close with it. It stick close by itself. This be careful to it gonna stick together if you put it a lot at the one time. Just about 3 at a time like this. It look is the up stick. It's not stick. But đặt trào nó bong ôn về ít chọp khía. Còn đậm đó bay buôn ấy dạng trào từ tam năng từ thông. Đắng. Add some more. Bong ôn đăng này bữa đặt preng trào nó đi fry á vì bông nhị lần sòn chẳng đào sòn chẳng bị ấp từ qua lần golden brown chứ bữa trong đặt ban qua golden brown chẳng to là đặt preng tịch ra đặt cầm ao vì trào pê chứ đặt about halfway of the egg roll á đặt kẹp vào đào từ cầm ao lịch này đấy anh đang ban qua brown chẳng ai. If you want the color is golden brown.
If you want it to be golden brown, you have to put less oil, or else it'll be just clear white when it's finished cooking.
Now it's finished, ready to serve for egg roll. This is the wrapper that I use it, as you see it. Different from the other one. This is the old-fashioned one, but the taste is so good, different from the other one. So here I have for side dish, I have for sweet and sour fish sauce for dipping, cucumber, bean sprout, mint, and red green leaf, that later green leaf. And here I cut one for me to look inside, how it look inside. The taste is so good. សម្រាប់ egg roll បងប្អូនរួចសពគ្រប់ហើយញ៉ាំផ្ទាប់ជាមួយទឹកត្រីផ្អែមហើយនឹងជីសាឡាត់ប្រសក់ហើយនេះម្ទេស homemade garlic chili. If you want to make it, I have the video for that. Here I add some in here already. And that's it for egg roll. I hope you all like the recipe and enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.